Good afternoon, students. Let us take a sum on profit and loss. Mr. Sinha sold two tape recorders for rupees 990, each gaining 10% on one and losing 10% on the other. Find this total loss or gain as percent on the whole transaction. Let me explain the problem. SP is same for both the tape recorders. So for first tape recorder, SP is equal to 990 and profit 10%. So using these two, I can find its CP. That will be our case 1. Now in case 2, SP of the second tape recorder is rupees 990, loss is 10%. Using these two, I can find its CP. In case 1, when a tape recorder is sold, that means the first tape recorder, at a profit of 10%, then CP, now formula, 100 into SP, 990 by 100 plus 10, this 10 is coming here. So it gives us rupees 900. This 900 is the CP of the first tape recorder. Now second tape recorder. When the other one, that means the second one, is sold at a loss of 10%, then CP is equal to rupees 100 into SP, 990 is the SP, by 100 minus 10, this 10 is coming here. And this will give us 1100. So here we have used the formula. Now, total CP, 900 is the CP of the first tape recorder, 1100 is the CP of the second tape recorder. In total, it becomes 2000 total CP. Total SP, 990 is the SP of each tape recorder. We have got two tape recorders, so this into 2, 1980. The difference is rupees 20. It is the loss on the whole transaction because CP is total CP is greater here. Now loss percent on the whole transaction, total loss 20, total CP 2000 into 100%, and the result is, after calculation we get 1%. It is the loss percent on the whole transaction. Today we will begin a new topic, discount. Suppose you have gone to a store and the article that you are going to purchase has a tag on its price tag, and on that tag the price is written, say rupees 500. Now if you bargain with the shopkeeper will lower or decrease that price. So the shopkeeper agrees to sell that article to you at a lower price. So this reduced price or decreased price becomes, suppose, rupees 400. And if the shopkeeper sells you that article for this reduced price, this becomes then SP or selling price, and the initial price that was written on the price tag then would be known as mark price or list price. Now the difference between mark price and the selling price will be your discount. So mark price minus selling price is equal to discount.